A US court has granted a temporary stay of 10 working days on the deportation of Irishman Séamus Culleton. His attorney has said that she is committed to ensuring Mr Culleton can remain in America. Mr Culleton has been held by immigration and customs enforcement officers at a facility in El Paso, Texas since last September. He was detained after it came to light that he arrived in the US on a tourism visa in March 2009 and remained there after the permitted 90 days. His case made headlines around the world last week after he spoke out about the conditions, comparing the facility to a concentration camp. In a statement, his lawyer said that her firm filed a petition for review which sought to put a temporary hold preventing his deportation. The court ordered the government to file their response, which is due in the coming days, she said. The 38-year-old, who was originally from Glenmore, County Kilkenny, has received intense scrutiny since going public about his situation. Last week, it was revealed how Mr Culleton had been charged with the unlawful possession of drugs, possession for sale of supply, as well as obstruction in relation to an incident on May 17, 2008 in Glenmore when he was 22. After he failed to appear at a sitting of New Ross District Court to face the charges, a judge issued a bench warrant for his arrest in April 2009, 1 month after he moved to the US. His twin daughter, Heather Morrissey, has also spoken out about her father, criticising how he spoke about his wife and dogs in an interview with Liveline, but did not mention her or her sister. The young woman, who celebrated her 19th birthday on Monday, has said she will be open to reconciling with her father if he ends up being deported back home. She said, "If he could own up to what he has done, I would be willing to give him a second chance. But as of now, he's just digging a big hole for himself." The US Department of Homeland Security has refuted Mr Culleton's claims about the facility in El Paso. Tricia McLaughlin, Assistant Secretary of the Department, said that he had overstayed his visa and failed to depart the US after he was apprehended. She said that the Glenmore man has received due process since his detention. In a post on X, she also said that he was offered the chance to return home to Ireland and have his flights paid for, but he chose to stay in ICE custody.